will be a re-review of a porta potty here on a second row construction they're doing here at Emerald Isle, North Carolina. It's like this home has come a long way. This is off Ocean Drive, and this is Craig Drive. Let's go check this out and take a look at this home as well. And this is a Blue Site Solutions. Look like they got the drive blocked off, so we'll take a look there in a second here and certainly see this home's come a long way. Let's go in here. Looks like they've put a piece of wood on here since last time. It was leaning a bit in the front. Lots of people around, so we're just going to go right in. And looks like it was last cleaned 5/23, so pretty recent. Got a hand soap, got toilet paper in the urinal, a couple of rolls of toilet paper laying here, and this toilet is awful, as you can see. And this backs right up to brushes here that are really growing out here, bushes. And this is the one that had the broken vent. Very warm in here. We got a crack there I saw last time, and a couple rolls of toilet paper, and it is smelling real bad because it's hot in here. Got a busted hole there, and it has a hook to hang your clothes while you're in here if you feel the need to do that. Oh, let's get out of here. It is hot. Make sure no cars are coming. And the bushes are starting to really grow now. Summertime is getting here. And they did put a big piece of wood because it was leaning. And it's going to be taken over by these bushes here. We'll kind of give this a medium thumbs. It's definitely getting some wear here for sure. And it has twin wire arc on it. See if we can take a look at this home here. I'm not going to be able to get there. Get a little bit close here. They've come a long way on this home. Get out of here. Definitely got a no trespassing sign. As you can see. So that's the update on this porta potty, or re-review, just off Craig Drive and Ocean Drive. Nice second row home they're building here. And this is just another view of this home from Ocean Drive. You can see a lot more from here.